concerns about Iran's nuclear program. The agency boss says Iran may be hiding its work on atomic weapons. Not exactly stunning news, but it could be more fuel for those who point to Iran and say it's time to take action. Time to stop that nation from building a bomb. Jennifer Griffin with the news. She's live at the Pentagon tonight. A lot of talk of military action today, Jennifer.
That's right. In addition to that 3-hour meeting at the White House with the President, Defense Secretary Leon Panetta and Chairman of the Joint Chiefs, General Martin Dempsey, spent 45 minutes with Prime Minister Netanyahu at Blair House across from the White House. There's an air of resignation at the Pentagon that the U.S. military could get pulled into military action against Iran's nuclear sites. There's been intensive planning at CENTCOM since November. It comes as the head of the UN nuclear watchdog at a closed-door meeting in Vienna reiterated that Iran has tripled the amount of uranium it is enriching at a highly fortified site near Qom over the past 4 months, Shepard.
And any reaction to all of this from the Iranians, Jennifer?
Not directly, but there was an interesting development in a case against a U.S. Marine. That U.S. Marine, Amir Hekmati, was sentenced to death in January in Tehran for being a spy and working for the CIA. Those are charges that the CIA denies. But today we learned that Iran's Supreme Court is demanding a retrial and throwing out those death penalty charges. So an interesting development there, and perhaps an olive branch to the west. Shepard?
Jennifer Griffin at the Pentagon tonight. Jennifer, thank you. Well, an indication now of just how worried people in Israel are about the possibility of an Iranian attack. Officials in Tel Aviv showed off a new bomb shelter, the most advanced in the whole country, they tell us. It's actually an underground parking lot that they upgraded to serve as a shelter. They say it has space for at least 1,600 people and plenty of oxygen, water, and power to keep everything running in case of an attack.